Governor Walker has called opioid abuse in Wisconsin an epidemic. With more and more overdoses, some police now carry a life-saving antidote. NBC 26's Regina Ahn has the story tonight.
It's a scene all too common. Families torn apart from a son, daughter, father, mother, gone from an opioid overdose.
He was crouched over on his bed. It looked like he was tying his shoes almost.
I went over to him. And I touched him and he was cold.
A national drug crisis from 1999 to 2015, 183,000 people have died from opioid overdoses, according to the Centers for Disease Control.
Nobody has seen anything like what's going on now. As Americans, we cannot allow this to continue. It is time to liberate our communities from this scourge of drug addiction. Never been this way.
One of the hardest hit, Wisconsin.
Well, the opiate and the opioid epidemic has really been increasing.
According to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, opioid-related deaths have increased 800% since 1999. Last year, over 820 people died.
It's gotten to the point that it really is a weekly, if not daily, occurrence.
When an overdose happens, Jason Weber says time is of the essence, and law enforcement are usually on scene first, so many officers are equipped with a life-saving drug called naloxone, also known as Narcan.
It's kind of a nice tool that we have. One of those tools, like a lot of our tools, that we really don't want to use, but it is nice to know that it is on the belt.
The CDC states naloxone reverses the effects of opiates on the central nervous system, either injected or sprayed into each nostril.
You know, whether the act that they did is illegal or whether something, what the circumstances are, you really want to save a life.
Weber says if a person survives, help is provided right away.
We will get to them within the next day with a recovery coach and to get them some help.
If you know of anyone in need of help from opioid addiction, contact a rehab advisor anonymously right away. That number is 877-969-2116 or 844-229-2468. Regina Ahn for NBC 26.